Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to an OBS tutorial on how to add a link or a browser source. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, I'd appreciate it. Now, in this sense, we're going to go ahead and use Twitch to use as an example. Let's say we want to use our stream chat, right? So let's go ahead and do that. What you'd want to do is head over to your OBS or the version of OBS that you want to use. Go plus, click on browser, and then right here is where you're going to want to enter the link where it says URL. So we're going to find the link to my Twitch chat or whatever it is that we want to use. Okay, now that we have it copied, we just go ahead and press enter, and then now it is using my Twitch chat like so. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to go ahead and put them down below. But other than that, it's been a quick tips tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.